Welcome to Secure Ideas, distributor of Albermet, Bosch, and Secom products. The company was incepted in 2006 at Hyderabad. Reliable and trusted vendor base make us unique in the industry. Hotel Central Court and SPM Cables Limited are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by durable and safe packaging. We offer a wide assortment of alarm, geo-tracker and fire protection systems. Our fire alarm and suppression systems are best in the industry amongst others. We offer access control and gate automation systems that are in huge demand across the global markets. Installation services and Advantage line products offered by us are one of the best in the market. Along with that, we offer intrusion alarms and push video alarm systems that are a class apart. We also provide home and office alarm systems that are acknowledged for their functionality. For more information, log on at www.secureideas.in.